Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to crop an image in Illustrator. So let's get started the video. Open Adobe Illustrator and import the image you want to crop. Press the selection tool, then click on the image. On the right side of your screen, you will find the crop image option. Tap on it. Now click and drag the edges to select which part of the new image you want to save. To finish, click on Apply. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.